If you want to set up speed dial numbers on Samsung Galaxy S25, then first of all we need to go to the phone app. And now you have two choices. You can, for example, press and hold your finger on the number that you wish to use for speed dial. So let's say I'm gonna choose number 5. So press and hold it, and then choose assign. Now over here we can select which contact should be assigned to that number. So let's say I'm gonna choose this contact over here, and now I can press and hold in order to immediately call the selected contact. Another option that allows you to set up the speed dial is by tapping on these three dots in the top right corner. There you need to go to speed dial numbers, and here we can first select the number that we wish to set. So let's say I'm gonna choose 7. Then you can enter the name on number, or we can tap on this person icon on the right side in order to choose someone from the contacts, and it will be added to the list. And now if I press and hold number 7, I should be able to call that contact. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!